In 1963, Revell's 1932 Ford model kit started life as the 1/25th scale Bob Tyndall Orange Crate sedan. The Orange Crate sported an Oldsmobile V8 punched out to 418 cubic inches with fuel injection and a front-mounted blower. The car also had a rear tilting cab to access the chassis and the running gear. In 1971, the box art was changed, removing Bob Tyndall's picture along with the trophy, but retained the name Orange Crate. In 1976, Revell revised the kit and changed the name to Chopped Deuce. Along with the name change, Revell also added a forward tilting hood, front fenders, and longer exhaust, but other than that, the kit was basically the same as before. Again in 1983, Revell made a few minor changes to the kit, such as new vents in the hood, new decals, and new box art. The kit was also added to the Street Demons series. Finally, in 1986, 23 years after its first release, Revell made a few more changes to the kit. The final changes included new hubcaps and headlights. The box art was also changed, now adding it to the Hot Rod Magazine series of cars, and simply calling it a custom 32 chopped sedan. The kit would be re-released as the original Orange Crate in 1999, as well as in 2012 as a type of throwback kit. In 1996, Revell retooled and recreated the 32 three-window coupe. This kit was designed as a mild street rod with basically a stock 32 three-window body. It also had a small block Ford V8 under the hood. This kit ran for 2 years until the box was slightly changed to reflect the Revell monogram logo. However, the exact kit remained under the Revell brand, but with different box art. From 1999 to 2011, the kit took on several different faces, from a convertible, back to the three-window coupe, a sedan street rod, and then to the 5-window 2-in-1 coupe. In 2013, Revell released the Stacy David's Gears edition. The 32 Ford Rat Roadster sported a supercharged small block Chevy, and it also came with a 1/25th scale guitar to display. Pretty cool. 2015 brought us the California Wheels edition of the Don Fink Metalworks Speedwagon. This kit came with a chopped woody cab and a fuel-injected small block Ford. This kit was actually a re-release of the 1996 monogram kit, which I did not mention because I was mainly focusing on the Revell heritage of the 32 Ford. Finally, as we fast forward to 2016 on to the present day, we find the latest edition of the Revell 32 Ford. This kit is simply the reboxed 2011 kit that I've already mentioned. The 2011 and 2016 boxes look nearly identical, but they do have some minor changes with the wording. This is going to conclude my brief history of the Revell 32 Ford. I really enjoy finding out the history behind model kits from the past, and I hope you do as well. If you haven't already, please go over and join our Facebook group. We're growing rapidly and having a lot of fun over there, sharing our builds and sharing our experiences building these cars. Also, go over and visit our friend Mark at Hobby Nut Models. He's upgraded his inventory as of late, and he's got a lot of new kits, a lot of hard to get kits. He also has some kits that are like new old stock, some been on a shelf for a long time hidden away, and he's found them, and he's got some good, great kits over there. Links to these will both be in the description as always. And if you haven't subscribed already, would you comment on this video? Would you subscribe? Let me know if there would be another car, another kit, another manufacturer that made a kit that you would like for me to research and maybe do another video like this. I really enjoyed doing this. You guys, I hope you all have a great day. Take care, be safe, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.